Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here and I am here with another package. This one is super cool guys because I have received a diffuser, a plant therapy diffuser, and to be honest, if you can believe it or not, I didn't even pay for it because I got it from the points that I saved, throughout the time. And I think it's just, I was ordering some oil too, and yeah, they're here. Let me see what we got. We got the coriander and the palmarosa, so I will make videos about those if you are interested. And this is the diffuser, so I will definitely demonstrate to you how it works. Let me just pull it out. I hope you guys never mind that I do everything on the floor. So this is the box. The box doesn't really matter for us, right? I guess the manual, and then here you go, like that. Easy peasy. Oh, it is so light. Like that. It looks a little dusty. Let's open it up. Here we have the cup. We have the cord. Here is the tank. The tank is very big, as you could see. That was the point for me because I needed the diffuser to be large enough to use in the large room. So, and it looks, they also have the pink one, but I figured I'm not that lover of pink color. I mean, in my house doesn't have anything pink, so it wouldn't really look good. So this is it. I am going to turn it on and I will show you my favorite blend that I use throughout the day. So stay tuned. I'm going to show it to you right in a second. Alright guys, so it took me about 10 seconds to assemble the plant therapy diffuser. So all you need to do is to plug in the cord and fill up the water until this red line, and then add your favorite essential oil blend. So I cannot really say what my favorite is because I have so many, and I would just share with you a couple. The one I would use for the nighttime and the one I would use for the daytime, something refreshing and energizing. For refreshing and energizing blend, I would go ahead and use Peppermint Essential Oil in the amount of 5 drops. So let's go ahead and add it up. 1, okay, 5 drops. You can go a little more. It actually depends on the size of your diffuser. So I would say the amounts I'm giving you, it would be good for like a medium one. The next essential oil we should use in the amount of 5 drops would be Peppermint Essential Oil. Let me add 5 drops of that. Alright, I got 6. That's totally fine. And the last oil I'm going to use in the amount of 3 drops will be Patchouli Essential Oil. I have it in a large bottle because I usually just put it in, don't make any blends, just single. And I love it, for the morning when I wake up. I think it gives me great benefits. It helps me to be like alert and like there, like present. 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Good. You see, this is the oil of a darker color. Actually, it looks pretty, right? Those 3 small things in one. That's funny. Okay, so all we have to do now is close the lid. This is what we're doing. You can actually use the same combination if you're making, maybe the car freshener or the room refreshener. And I also wanted to show you my favorite oils. I don't go crazy with anything else right now, just 2. The vetiver and the clary sage. Well, I believe they help me sleep like a baby, really, and I wake up rested. Sometimes I just get a small cotton ball and I put a few drops of clary sage and I just inhale it and exhale it for like 10 times before going to sleep. It's really helpful. Vetiver is a thick oil. It's a very thick oil. You could diffuse either or both of them, obviously too. So now we have to turn it on. This looks big and bulky. It's actually very light, very, very light. So, talking about light. Okay, mist. So, I turned it on, guys. On means that you just turn it on and it's going to work until it's either run out of water or you turn it off. Now it's obvious it's going to be working for 2 hours. This one will be working for 15 seconds on, 30 seconds off until you turn it off or it runs out of water. Same thing here, 15 minutes on, 30 minutes off, or 30 minutes on and 30 minutes off. Actually, this is very important. I tell you why, because sometimes people just turn the diffuser on for like hours, but it's been proven scientifically that the best way to have your oils diffused is to diffuse them for half an hour and then turn it off, preferably from half an hour to 1 hour. That will give you the best benefits. So now talking about the light, I believe we're talking about the light here on top. So it's not really giving you any other options, either light on or light off. But you see how strong the mist is? So I'm in the bedroom right now. I'm not going to use it in here though. I have a smaller diffuser. So this is it, guys. I've shared with you my experience. I believe this is a really good buy, especially if you start shopping at plant therapy. You will be saving, you know, like points. If you guys like this video, my favorite blends, and all the information, if you have any questions, please do ask me. It's not really very noisy, I should say. I think I will be fine with it, you know, including the fact that we're not supposed to run it on for the entire night. That's it, guys. Don't forget to check the plant therapy website. I put the link in the description right down below this video. I wish you all the best. Great essential oil journey, great diffusing, and exploration of the new blends. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Oh, and don't forget to check this one. I've been opening up this lamp, and I can prove here, do you see here on the bottom, it melted, which means that it's 100% natural thing. It's been melting. I usually put a little cloth under it, so I just didn't want to bother you with it right now. So that's it, guys. Happy to see you here today, and I'll be happy to see you in my next video.